Yes, fam, we have all fried off our wings, and this is what we have. Give them a shot, camera girl. This is what we have. We have drained them on paper towel because we don't want any excess grease. Now I'm going to put them, seeing that is this amount, I'm going to use my aluminum tray, and as you can see, man, it is the same age. Have you been over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs to hear my age? Hop on over there. So when you go over there and find out my age, and we'll leave the link in the description for you all who have not gone over there. Me and my aluminum tray here, we are the same age. Just a little joke, you know, we have got to, you know, sometimes. So what I'm going to do right over here, my oven is been preheated at 175 degrees Celsius. If you're on Fahrenheit, it's got to be 350. So my oil is still hot, but you all be careful. This is what I'm going to do. You might not want to do this, but if you can, you can. I'm going to use my hand towel to use some of my same chicken oil. It's really hot, but you got to be careful. If not, you use cold oil. Okay, y'all, and I'm going to grease my, real generously, I'm going to grease my enamel tray. Because this is, I need something to hold it like that. So I'm going to try to grease it so generously. And finish greasing right over here. I'm gonna pop it into my oven. Yes, on the bottom shelf there. Whoops, really hot. And you might want to get your mitten, as you'll soon need. Right here, I have a deeper casserole. So what I'm going to proceed to do is to transfer them to this casserole real fast because and they're so crispy. But remember, they're not properly cooked. They are fried off, so they are crispy, but they are not properly cooked to the core. So the finishing of the cooking is the finishing of the cooking. What is happening? They're going to be finished inside the oven there with the barbecue sauce, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my barbecue sauce. Now is the time for tongue, family. Now is the time for your tongue. This is the perfect occasion for your tongue. Okay, y'all? And you got to learn to use your tongue so you can move fast, okay? Because our oven is there and our enamel tray is getting, we want it a bit heated. We don't want it cold because I want these girls. We're gonna get that out the way. What I'm gonna proceed right here to do now, and I hope it works for this, I'm gonna toss with this barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put it all over it. I might not use all for now because I want to see what is happening. And this is where you're gonna proceed now to start moving around with your tongue. Okay? You want to get your tongue in use right here because you want to coat up these real nice, real sweet, real pretty. So you're gonna try to use your tongue, and if your tongue is giving you some trouble like mine seem to be, I tell you, say I'm a spoon woman, you know. Yes, I am a Jamaican woman, you know. I am a spoon woman. This is my spoon. You say I'm moving different. Whoops, so we're gonna proceed real careful and not to make a mess. But if we make mess, nothing around, we mostly don't want to lose any to the floor. So you're gonna coat up these nice little babies here. These little girls, so pretty little girls, beautiful little girls. You're gonna coat them. I tell you about this spoon, you know. I tell you from day one about this Jamaican stainless steel and aluminum spoon here. All of you who bashing my spoon, you see what is happening right here? So you want to put them in a large container and proceed to coat with your barbecue sauce. Okay, y'all? Are y'all in? And they seem to be well coated with this sauce. Okay? Now we're gonna go right in, but we're gonna have to get something to put our enamel container on because it's gonna be super hot. So oops, be careful y'all when doing this part of it. Yes, it's really hot. Give them a shot. You can see. So we're gonna proceed now to set them decently. You don't just throw them down like that now. Okay, fam? You're going to set them, let them stay face down like that. So you're going to start, yes, we're going to set them like this. It's really hot. You heard the sizzle? I know you did. Yes. So we're going to proceed to set them like this. Okay? Because they have been well coated in this barbecue sauce here. Okay, y'all? It's going to take a little time, but let me tell you something. We're not editing it now, nothing at all. Okay? I want you to see the look of it when we have finished arranging them. This is what we are doing right here. We are arranging them. And at the same time we are arranging them, all who not so versed on the using of the tongue, you're catching your little practice, okay? Catching your practice with your tongue. Yep. And these, yes, and I think I have the right, I think I do have the right size container to hold them. But you don't want them, whoops, you don't want them, this one was a bad little girl. Why, you know, so we have somebody in the midst like the trouble. Not true. One little bad apple of in the midst. You don't want to have them overlapping each other. You want everybody to have them own little space, okay? So we're searching for excess space for these few little ones we need, and we are finding it, man. Yeah, we're putting them together, but they're loving, very loving here. You notice how they're living loving together in one accord, y'all. Yep. And this is what it looks like right here and now. And we still have excess barbecue sauce, which is not a problem. So you want to clean off these edges in case when you go in the oven and it gets hot, you find them. This is really waiting now, so I'm gonna open my oven. Camera girl, right in. Remember, 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, you all, on the bottom rack. After 20 minutes, we'll return and we'll show you what our wings looks like. Okay, y'all?